Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fix Netflix channel. Today, I'll show you how to unlock the service mode on a Hisense 43-inch TV in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, grab your original Hisense remote. This won't work with a universal remote. Now, press the settings button, which looks like a gear icon. Go to Picture Settings and scroll down to All Settings. Next, open Advanced Audio Settings and make sure the balance is set properly. Now, enter this secret code on your remote. 1969. If done correctly, you'll see the letter M appear on your screen. That means you've successfully entered service mode. Once inside, navigate carefully through the menu. Now, let's adjust the backlight settings to improve your TV's lifespan. By default, the backlight is set to 20 and the maximum is 100. To prevent screen damage, I recommend lowering it to 80 or 75. For even better durability, set mid-backlight to 60. Now, go back to factory settings and exit. To make sure your changes are saved, turn off your TV and wait a few seconds. Then, turn it back on. If the M is gone, that means the settings were successfully applied. And that's it. You've just unlocked the Hisense TV service mode and optimized your settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.